Hello, hi everyone, it's Em here with you. Hope you guys are doing quite well. This video is all about paper mache clay recipe. This is absolutely my favorite most recipe, and it's homemade. So no need to buy any expensive ingredient to make this, and it requires absolutely no baking, no cooking. So I had this egg carton. Every time I bring eggs, and I save these cartons to utilize them later on in my art and craft projects. So first I have to put this in a big bowl, and now I'm pouring quite hot water. So with hot water it would get like really wet and soft. Now when you feel your fiber is quite soft in water, just drain out all the water, put it in a grinder and grind it quite well. Later on, just wrap it in a cloth, hang it for an hour and drain out all the water, and this grinded fiber with no lumps is required in this clay. Now when I get my fiber, just put it on your surface where you want to work. Just make sure you have to put lots of lotion on your hands before you start working. So this recipe has just 4 ingredients. One is the fiber. Any kind of a paper can be used for this process, and which we call the fiber. I'm using egg carton. That's, I feel, the best kind of a paper fiber. Many people also use tissue papers, which is also a good way to create a clay. And the first ingredient is the fiber. Number 2 is baby powder, baby lotion, and white glue, obviously. So I used this baby powder, and now I'm kneading it well, like literally very well. So always try to create your own ratios when you are making clay, because your climate and your humidity levels in the area where you are living can be different from the person who is guiding you his own recipe. So I live in a city where humidity level is quite low, so there are chances when I start making anything I get cracks, and to avoid these cracks I just prefer to make my dough like really soft. So initially I keep 1:1 ratio of fiber and glue, and with the passage of time, like when I'm kneading the dough, I just keep changing the ratio and keep changing the quantity, because I keep adding more baby powder and then more glue just to get a right consistency of a dough. It should be like all the fiber should be merged in the baby powder and with the glue, and you know, there is a right consistency of a dough. It should be like a dough, but it should not be hard. I think I'm able to explain. Maybe I'm not clearly explaining it, but you know what I mean. Like, it should not be a hard dough. It should be like really soft dough. So I don't have a specific ratio or a specific quantity. When you are kneading it, just make sure that it should go well, and definitely with the passage of time you will try once, twice, thrice, and then you will get an experience of dealing with your clay according to your climates. after getting the right consistency of this dough, just check how soft it is. I just don't never forget to put lots and lots of lotion on your hands and also on the surface where you want to keep it. On this tray I also put some lotion, and just check how soft it is. Your dough should not be hard, especially if you are living in an area where humidity levels is quite low, because of dryness you can get cracks very easily in your you know, whatever the project you are making. So just try to preserve it in a plastic bag, and I have only preserved for 1 month, not more than a month. I don't know what would be the results even if you want to preserve it for 6 months or a year. I never preserved for more than a month, so I don't know about more than a month. People also say that you can preserve it in refrigerators. I have no idea about it because I have always kept it at the room temperature for a month, and it's fine. No need to put it in the refrigerator, according to my opinion. So look at the dough-like consistency. Just check out how good it's looking. And I didn't add any acrylic color in it. This was the color of the egg carton, and if you feel you want to add some acrylic color, you can also add some acrylic color. So for me, I just thought maybe it's fine because the color is already there. Keep watching my videos, and this was all about the paper mache clay. And for more appreciations, please like, subscribe and share.